Alright, this is a Quideo 4 AP question. And so the AP question is, each person in a random sample of 1,026 adults in the United States was asked the following question. Based on what you know about the Social Security system today, what would you like Congress and the President to do during this next year? The response choices and the percentages selecting them are shown below. Completely overhaul the system, 19%. Make some major changes, 39%. Make some minor adjustments, 30%. Leave the system the way it is now, 11%. No opinion, 1%. So, question A, or part A, is asking us to find a 95% confidence interval for the proportion of all United States adults who would respond, make some major changes to the question. Give an interpretation of the confidence interval and give an interpretation of the confidence level. So basically what we're doing is we're using this 39% up here as our reference point. So what I first wanted to do though is I wanted to test to see if the sample was large enough, with it being 1,026 adults. So what I did was I did NP equals greater than or equal to 10, and as you can see I got 400.14, so that obviously passes. And then I did N times 1 minus P, and I got 625.86, which is obviously greater than 10. So now that test is done, we can move forward with our equation of 0.39 plus or minus 1.96. Remember, looking back at the advanced question for this Quideo, if you look at our table C, we go all the way down to Z star, and then we go to 95%, 1.96, that's where we get it from. And then we do 0.39, 0.61, 0.61 being basically the value of 1 minus the p-value, so 0.39. And we do that over n, which is going to be 1,026, and we square root it. So after we square root it, we will get 0.0298, and we add and subtract this to get our max and min, and so we get 0.3602 and 0.4198. Next, our confidence interval. So our confidence interval is that we are 95% confident that the proportion of all U.S. adults who would respond, make some changes, are between 36% and 42%. Now, our confidence level will be a little different. Our confidence level is 95% confident that the different levels generated using the method will have the true population proportion. So basically we're just stating that, hey, we're 95% confident that using this method we can get the right values. So part B is asking us, an advocate for leaving the system as it is now commented, based on this poll, only 39% of adults in the sample respond that they want some major changes made to the system, while 41 respond that they want only minor changes or no changes at all. Therefore, we should not change the system. Explain why this statement, while technically correct, is misleading. So the statement is misleading because there was another group that wanted a complete overhaul of the system. This group being a complete overhaul of the system group, which is right above make some major changes group at 19%. And so that group, which was 19%, and added with our group that wanted major changes of 38%, will make the two groups represent over half of the sample. And this half will be over 50%. Let's see, 19 plus 39, 58%, yeah. So it would be 58%. So it would be almost a major majority of people who wanted a complete overhaul or just a redo of the Social Security system. So that's why it's misleading, because we don't include this group up here. And yeah, that is the AP question.